Hey, what's up, YouTube? This is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode, man. Today's episode, I'm gonna unbox this hair trimmer, a brushless one, and I bought it from Alibaba. So inside you get just the normal stuff. Okay. And this is the hair trimmer, and it's rating iClipper Pro. So no certification. Okay. Here is something like a rubber, and it's not slippery at all. So it's a brushless. So now let's make an RPM test and see the RPM test. Okay, 7,200 RPM. This is the blade. And now let's check inside. So inside it's like this. Like I said before, this is a rubber. So and this is metal. Okay. I don't know if maybe this one is metal or plastic, but I feel it's a metal or something like that. Okay. So this one is plastic. Looks like this. So nothing written on the body. Okay, but wait. Maybe I might remove it. Okay, this is it. So where the screws are, I mean these screws, so it's metal. So, and this one, oh, very strong. Okay, too much screws. Okay, nothing written on the body. Something is written. Wait a moment. This is really good. So where is it written? Okay, let me try to focus it. Okay, 7,200. See that? Okay, I really like it like this, so you can really remove it, which is good. Okay. Yo, so now it's finished. And now let's check the so this is the blade. This bracket is different from the one of TPOB and Babyliss. So the bracket is different, and if you want to put this one direct, it doesn't fit. As you can see, it doesn't fit. So you need to remove this bracket. Okay. So all you need is just the blade. So as you can see, so for you to get the full feelings of this hair trimmer, not just changing this bracket, you need to change this also as well. This thing here, this cam follower, and I guess also this one here. It works, but not really that good. Once you change this cam follower, then you get the better feelings. Okay, so that's it for the unboxing of this iClipper Pro. And yo, peace, man.